Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Pay and confirming you're in the correct account. This prevents stopping the wrong subscription. Once done, tap the profile icon at the top right to reveal payments and subscriptions. Make sure location and payment methods are visible so you can identify which Autopay is active. If you have multiple Google accounts, switch now. This initial check saves time and avoids accidental cancellations of unrelated services, so don't skip it. Next, go to Payments and Subscriptions and open Subscriptions. You'll see a list of recurring charges. Scan for the merchant name or amount you recognize. Tap the subscription to open the billing page where start date, next charge, and payment method are shown. This is where you control Autopay. Once on that screen, look for Manage, Edit, or Cancel options. These differ by merchant. Make sure you review the next billing date so you can prevent an imminent charge if needed. To finish, choose Pause Payments, Cancel Subscription, or Remove Payment Method depending on the merchant's options. Canceling prevents future charges, pausing delays them. Confirm any prompts and keep a screenshot of the confirmation for your records. If the option is missing, update Google Pay to the latest version, force stop and reopen, or open the merchant's app/website to cancel directly. If problems persist, contact the merchant support with your screenshot. This resolves cases where Google Pay shows only limited controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.